Hey everybody, I was sponsored by the brand. Let me tell you about this 10-inch drum fan you see right here. First off, the assembly was extremely simple. It came with the drum fan by itself, and then this bar right here, and then this knob and this little piece right here, one on each side. And all I had to do was just stick this little piece on the side of the drum, and then stick the knob through the metal stand and twist it tightly. It literally took 1 minute. And what I love about this fan is this drum will actually rotate very freely so that you can get the right angle. And when you get it at the angle that you want, you simply just tighten the knobs and it will then hold in place very well. Now you can see it has this handle up here. That way you can transport it and hold it very easily. This thing's pretty lightweight. Most users should be able to transport it around without any problems whatsoever. And then of course it is corded so that it always has continual electricity and power as long as it's plugged in. And the cord is relatively long. It's about 6 feet, so it is a good length. And then on the back, it's just a 3-speed dial. Right now it's set to 0, but I can go to speed 1, 2, and 3 to get the different speeds. And honestly, using this machine is that simple. So let me just demonstrate to you the different speeds. Here it is on 1. Here it is on 2. And here it is on 3. Honestly, this thing has some great power and it is perfect for so many scenarios. Where I'm best seeing this working for my family is every summer my kids do swim and it gets hot at those swim meets. Plugging this in and giving us some cool air is going to be excellent, making those swim meets much more enjoyable. It's also great for those rooms that maybe are a little bit warmer. Maybe you don't have a ceiling fan. Maybe you don't have some other way to cool down the room. This is a great way to do so. It's great for camping. It's great for picnicking. As long as you have some way to plug it in. I've got a mobile charging station, so this is going to work so well. This thing is 120 volts and only 90 watts, so it should work well with many rugged style charging stations. Honestly, if you're looking for a portable drum fan of your own, one that works so well with multiple speed settings and power settings, one that you can pick up on your own or just leave it sitting on a tabletop just like this, look no further. I definitely recommend this one from the brand.